Hello future warriors and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Hemant and I am here back regarding the application related details of the NDA NA 2 2021 examination. I have already discussed about the eligibility details, cutoff related details and all the important educational qualifications and the details regarding the vacancies and all in the notification section. So you can go through back and check regarding the video of the NDA 2 2021 notification details lecture completely, which is available in the YouTube channel of our SSB Crack Exams. If in case you have not gone through with that, please go through with that. Once you have made sure that you are eligible for this examination and you can write for this examination, then you can get back with this on how to apply for this particular NDA examination, right? So this particular series is regarding the way and procedure to apply for NDA 2 2021. And I will sort out all the doubts and queries which are generally asked by the candidates, right? So before beginning, as I always introduce you that SSB Crack Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. Huge number of aspirants have been joined into the NDA NA course of SSB Crack Exams, and the vibrant family is growing day by day and many number of aspirants are improving their competency levels. We provide the complete updated video lectures, live classes and also the most and foremost important study plans and also the related study notes that make the content preparation much more stronger and better. The mock tests of NDA are considered to be the game changers, so you can go through with that and you can take the mock test. After every particular attempt of the mock test, you will be given a rank analysis. This particular rank analysis is made on the all India level so that you will be able to understand the level of competence you have regarding the examination. The complete syllabus is updated and content is being added day by day. And also, as I told you, the best part of SSB Crack Exams application is that you can download the lectures in an online mode and thereafter you can watch all of these lectures and the study material in an offline mode. You can also take a printout of the study materials once you have subscribed to our courses. Please do choose one of your favorite courses. If in case you are preparing not only for India but for various other examinations, then you can join us. Those candidates who are preparing to go through with the technical entry scheme, the direct entry scheme of the Indian Navy or any other direct entry schemes and any other courses, if in case you are preparing for the SSB, then I suggest you all to preferably do take OER and PPDT course from SSB Crack Exams. That makes your content preparation much more stronger. We have the complete updated content in the NDA. If you have scrolled down from the complete contents of the NDA application, you will get the complete details regarding NDA 2 2021 live sessions and also the sessions regarding the previous examinations, exam overviews, study plans and analysis, notification, exam dates, a content regarding the personality development and motivation, mathematics, English, static GK, polity, history, economics, and also the contents of the geography, biology, chemistry, physics, daily current affairs, and the target related details and all. You can use the code Warrior10 to get an extra 10% discount on all of our courses. Warrior10 is a code taking into inspiration of you people who have been a constant motivation for all of us. Because you people have been giving us pure and irresistible motivation day by day, we have also launched this particular code long back and we want to inspire many number of people and we want this family to grow and this to never end. So in this particular section, I will tell you on how to apply for NDA 2 2021 in a very short and crisp and detailed manner. So before applying, if you watch whatever I'm trying to tell you, then it will be easy while you're applying, right? So starting off, the first and foremost thing before starting the application, you should have three important things already ready in whichever particular system you're applying. So whatever system, whatever computer system you're using for application, before starting and opening up the application form, these three things the system should compulsorily have. The first is the scanned photograph, second is a scanned signature, and the third one is a photo identity card document, right? So the scanned photograph should be in a JPG format and this is the size that it must have. It should not be less than 20 kilobytes and it should not be more than 300 kilobytes, okay? So the size of this particular photograph in a digital format, it should be between 20 kilobytes to 300 kilobytes. If you go through with the pixelated sizes, then its size should be not less than 350 by 350 pixels length by breadth, and it should not be more than 1000 by 1000 pixels length and height, right? So going through with the scan signature, it should also be in the JPG format. JPEG format or GIF format or any other images are not taken by the website. Please make sure that you follow this format and you do follow the size guidelines and regulations, right? So maintain here also the scan and signature also has the same specifications regarding the photograph, the same minimum and maximum related size. Make sure that your size is in between the limits given here. And the photo identity card document, it should be a PDF. Let it be either it must be your Aadhaar card, or it must be your driving license, or it must be your passport, any other original photo identity card document as mentioned in the notification. Please go through with that and convert it into a PDF, and make sure that its size is in between 20 kilobytes to 300 kilobytes. Once you make sure that these three items are already there in the soft copy format in a particular file in the system, then you can start applying for this particular exam without any fuss, right? Starting off with the first and foremost thing is you have to go through with the website, because NDA is conducted by UPSC. Go through with the website upsc.gov.in. I'm writing the website name. It is upsc.gov.in. Go through with this particular website. This is what you will see on the screen. Once you scroll down, you will be seeing all of these important bars: exam notifications, recruitment advertisements. All these are different tabs. So the third tab will be about apply online section. Click on that particular tab and you will be redirected towards this particular new page, right? Once you are redirected to this particular page, it will ask about online recruitment application for various recruitment posts and all. In the second option, there will be a very, very important option known as online application for various examinations. Click on this various examination, click on the second option, right? After clicking on the second option, you will be redirected to this particular page. Here it will be showing about only those exams that are as of now eligible to apply, right? So as of now, because only NDA exam is open for applications, only that is being seen on the particular screen, right? So here you have the complete updates. So the notification number is also given, notice date is also given, and here it is clearly given that this notification will close on 29th of July 2021. You should finish your application before 29th of June 2021, sorry. So before 29th of June 2021, by evening 6 o'clock, please do finish your application. Only then you can be have in a safe and easy format. So you can see here in the registration and all, you can find part 1 registration and part 2 registration. For you to ensure that you have completely and properly submitted your application, it is compulsory that you must complete both part 1 and part 2. Only both the parts, once you have finished, only then it is declared that your application has been submitted. If you finish part 1 and if you do not finish part 2, then your application is not submitted, and without finishing part 1, you cannot reach into the part 2. Understanding? Make sure that you have a proper, all the details with you, all your 10th class, inter certificates and all with you, along with you before applying for this particular application, right? So starting off, after you go through, click on this particular part 1, because we have to start with the procedure. Click on this part 1. After you click on that, you will be redirected towards the instructions page, right? Important instructions to fill in the online application form. Here it is again given in the third point also. The first point, it is given that you have to go through instructions very carefully before applying, and it will also tell you that this application will be received only by the website upsconline.nic.in website only, and not through any other websites and all. And will also tell you that all the fields marked with the asterisk sign are very important, and those should not be taken for granted and all. In the third point, it will tell you that you have to finish your application before 29th of June 2021 by evening 6 p.m. and a registration ID will be released for you to complete your applications and all, and the details regarding part 1, part 2 will all be given in a clean and very neat format. Okay, so after you go through with all the instructions, this is what I will tell you. All of these instructions are basically for you, but these instructions only I am telling you by going through with complete one after the other, right? So they have given these instructions. You can take a printout of these instructions, and by following those instructions also you can apply. Also, the better format is when you are watching this particular live session, this session now, whatever you are watching, this is much more easier format. It is much more easier for you to connect on, to understand how to apply for the examination. Slowly you can scroll down, it will tell you. Here only when you are moving down in the points of 11, in the point 12, it will tell you about the size of the photograph and the size of the signature you have to upload, and will also tell you about the photo identity card that you have to upload here also. So all of these are very, very important. After you scroll down, it will tell you that that you have read and understood all the important detailed instructions. If you click on these detailed instructions, it will give you much more detailed instructions and all. Simply click on yes. Okay, so don't click on no, because it's no use of that. Click on yes, and after clicking on yes, you will be redirected towards the part 1 registration, right? So the whole part is the part 1 registration. This is regarding application form for NDA NA 2 2021, right? It will be asking for you to fill up your name, gender, date of birth and all. Make sure that your whatever inputs you are giving, they are actually same as far as applicable towards your 10th class certificate. Your 10th class or matriculation certificate is considered to be the original document. If whatever name is mentioned in however format, if it is mentioned in capital letters, write it in capital. If it is mentioned in small, write it in small. If your initials, full initials are mentioned, write the full initials. However it is written in your 10th class certificate, write it in the same format here also. Both your name, your father's name, your mother's name, and all various other details will be asked. Scroll down and it will ask you about the educational qualifications here also. Here it will give you only 4 different types of candidates are eligible to apply. Either they have passed the 12th class or 10 plus 2 examination, but they do not have physics and chemistry as their subjects, as their mainstream subjects. And the second question will tell you that they have passed 10 plus 2 with having physics, chemistry and mathematics as their mainstream subjects. And the third case will be that they have appeared or they are appearing to the 12th class having but do not have their physics, chemistry and mathematics as the originals. And the fourth option will tell that they have already appeared or that they have appeared or they are appearing towards the 10 plus 2 or 12 class examination having physics, chemistry and mathematics as their main subjects. The change is very important because if you do not have physics, chemistry and mathematics as your mainstream subjects, then you are eligible only for the army wing of National Defense Academy. If in case you do have your physics, chemistry and mathematics as your mainstream subjects in your 10 plus 2 or 12th class related exam, in that case you are eligible for Army, Navy, you're eligible for Army, Navy, Air Force of all the 3 wings of NDA and also for the Naval Academy, right? So those guys who are watching this particular live session, if you have any particular brothers or any particular friends who are there in the 10th class, if they are interested defense aspirants and if they are very serious defense aspirants, please do tell them to take the maths, physics and chemistry subjects in their intermediate, so that will be much more easier and safer side, right? So you need to fill up all your address details, state details, pin code details, phone number and mobile number, email, confirming email and an alternative email and all, and then in the end you have to click on continue. Okay, don't click on reset. If you click on reset, whatever you have entered, everything will vanish and you have to again start applying from beginning itself. Don't click on reset, please click on continue. After moving forward now, it will ask you to update your photo identity card document, and in all the listed of the documents, if you scroll down, there will be different number of documents, and in those documents select whatever document that you are selecting. Make sure whatever photo identity card that you are mentioning here, the same photo identity card you have to carry with you while you are going for the examination center. Like, for example, I have entered a passport, my original passport as my photo identity card here. Then in that case, whatever PDF I am uploading in this particular application form, that should also be my passport. And while I am going towards my examination center, I should carry my original passport with me. Please remember, you should carry your original photo ID card. Whatever photo identity card you have, please do mention and update only that only, right? So after you mention about that, it will ask your card numbers and all. You need to confirm the card number and you have to give your preferences for Army, Navy, Air Force and the Naval Academy, whichever you want to give your preference. Like if in case you are a very staunch defense aspirant of Indian Navy, then you can give the Indian Naval Academy as 1, Navy as 2, Air Force as 3 and Army as 4. But if in case large number of aspirants, most number of aspirants, like around 70 to 80% aspirants, they want to join Army, then in that case their preference of Army will be number 1, like that. There are also aspirants who want to join Indian Air Force and they want to become pilots. Then for them they will keep their preference in Air Force as 1 and then they will continue like that. Then you will update your NCC details, whether you are any other one, education qualification details and all, and then you will click on continue. After you clicking on continue, so once you click on that continue button, you will be redirected towards this particular new page wherein which it will ask you to verify about whatever details you have entered in this particular form. From top to bottom, check what all you have entered, your year, your date of birth and all the other details. Scroll down and once you click on the submit button, in the end, you will be said that your application for the part 1 registration has been completed, and you will be also sent a small message towards the mail and also towards the phone number, whichever mobile number you have updated to that mobile, and also towards the email ID that you have mentioned. This particular message will come that dear applicant, you have successfully submitted part 1 of your application for National Defense Academy Examination 2 2021. Your registration ID so and so, because of the security reasons we are closing some things. Please note down this RID or registration ID for reference. Your application is incomplete. See, it will clearly tell you that your application is incomplete without submitting part 2. Please complete part 2 of your application. It is sent by UPSC. Now once this particular everything is done, you will be redirected to this page, and here it will show you all of that. And here you will get a message that you have completed part 1 registration of the online application and procedure. Get back, and in the down you will get click for the part 2 registration. Once you have you will be clicking on the part 2 registration, it will ask you your registration ID, date of birth, and confirm random image and all. So you whatever registration ID has been sent towards your phone or email ID, copy that and paste it here in the registration ID box, and update your date of birth, and thereafter whatever captcha is written, please do write the same captcha, then click on submit. After you clicking on the submit, you will be redirected towards a stage 2 or part 2 of your application. Okay, so once your part 1 is done, part 2 will be shown here. It will ask you first to make the payment. You can make the payment through any SBI branch by cash. Okay, or also you can pay this particular for this exam by paying by card, be it any particular credit card or debit card, or also you can do net banking and you can pay through that particular mode also. The most preferable format where a lot of the aspirants see a success rate is in the actually first rank will go towards the net banking, the second rank will go towards the credit debit cards, and the next one comes the paying by cash. Okay, so make sure however you are paying this particular format, if you are going to pay by cash, then please do understand that you have to pay as soon as possible. Like for example, if 29th June is the last date of payment of this particular application, then for those who are paying through an offline mode, for them 28th June will be the last day. One day less will be there for them. Okay, so those candidates should take their last day as 28th June and they have to make the plans and proceed forward. But I highly recommend the candidates to play for this examination through an online mode only. Right, so here I am going through with an example where the person has paid through a Visa debit card mode. So I will be going through with this. The complete details will be mentioned here. The payment of this exam, the cost of this exam is 100 rupees. You have to pay, enter your card numbers and all the other details. This is completely UPSC and the State Bank transaction details. You will click on enter all the details, click on the proceed. It will ask you about the OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP, then click on submit, and then it will tell you that the payment has been captured. Okay, you should get a transaction status as captured, and then in the last column you should also get that the fee payment has been successfully completed. You should get this. Without getting this, you can't do anything, right? So once you get this, you have to click on the button continue. Once you click on the button continue, what is the next step? The photo sign in, photo identity card uploading, right? So I've told you in the beginning itself that you have to keep 3 documents ready. You will have your photo ID card, you will also have your signature soft copy, you also have the photo identity cards, a PDF document. So clearly and properly upload one after the other wherever that is mentioned. Please do not make the mistake of uploading signature in the case of photograph and uploading photograph in the case of signature. If you do like that, your application will be rejected. You will be not given a chance to write the examination. That basic mistake, please never don't do. Please take care while applying these details. After you choose the file and after you upload it, you have to click on the button known as upload image, right? So this is how the image will be seen. You have to click on continue, right? After clicking on continue, it will ask your photo identity card again. You have to rewrite your card number. After you rewriting the card number, it will tell you whether that is verified or not. Then scroll down, click on your favorite exam center wherever you want to write your examination, and then there will be a declaration. Scroll down and there will be a tick box. Click on that and then click on OK. Right, after every other thing is done, it will tell you that you can application has been submitted. You have to click on view and print application. Once you click on that, it will not show the complete application. Now it will again ask you to fill in the registration ID details. Right, now it is again compulsory for you to fill in the registration ID, update your date of birth, fill in the captcha, and then click on submit. Now it will show you the updated ID. You can download that, and then you can download this whole application form, save it and take a printout of it and keep it with yourself, and do mention with us in the comment section if in case you have any other doubts or queries regarding this application. Now candidates who are there, I'm telling you, because you have stayed with me since long, some people will be asking again in the comment section who do not have the patience to watch the whole lecture whatever I've told you. There will be candidates who will be asking about what about the lateral entry candidates or those candidates who are doing the diploma candidates are not eligible to apply. That is the reason why SSB exams has been telling the aspirants, if in case you are a staunch defense aspirant, please refrain from taking diploma. Only take 10+2 and go through with maths, physics and chemistry as your mainstream subjects if in case your main goal is to get inside Air Force or Navy, right? So remember those important things, and do mention with us about any other doubts and queries, and also at any particular point of time on the editing, the details and all, we are always there with you. And I highly recommend recommend that you please do download SSB Crack Exams Learning app and subscribe towards NDA exam online course 2021 to 22, because there are already thousands and thousands of aspirants have joined the NDA family of SSB Crack Exams, which is a very vibrant, healthy and everlasting company that we try to make forward, and lot of the aspirants have shared their success stories with us. Only thing that we always want is that it is the same dream, both you and we at the same time. We want you guys to get wear the uniform, and we want you guys to adorn the stars and move forward with great amount of level of confidence and all. Becoming an officer in India, getting training in India and getting a seat in NDA or N8 is not a simple thing, and lots of the aspirants need a lot of amount of preparation and guidance, and you guys are all young, vibrant, beautiful chaps with a lot of amount of knowledge and information, filled with great amount of beautiful content and with beautiful attitudes. We want to hone your skills, and we want to make sure that you qualify the examination. Make sure that you also do subscribe towards NDA exam mock test series, because these mock test series, around 30% of these are the previous year's content, and the remaining content around 70 to 75% has been made handpicked from different important official sources that we have, and the questions are made taking into consideration the latest exam patterns. Mock tests have changed the lives of a lot of the aspirants, and they have said that a lot of the questions from the mock tests have been come in the upcoming examinations and all. So you can take these mock tests and make sure that your content is going absolutely vibrant and beautiful. Use the code Warrior10. Do not forget to use the code Warrior10 to get the 10% discount on all of our courses, and make sure that you're joining with us. Our defense counselors will have a personal interaction with you if in case you have any other doubts and queries. Thank you so much for staying with me this long. Please do stay healthy, always keep smiling, and do follow COVID-19 related protocol and norms. Always stay at home, don't eat any outside food, and don't fall sick. Always eat healthy food. Home food is always very important. Make sure that your confidence level is very high, you're always very happy, and join with us so that we can make sure that your motivation and your level of preparation will improve, and you get improve yourself more and more day by day. That's all for this particular session, guys, and I hope that this session was helpful for you. All the very best. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, always keep smiling, always be confident. Jai Hind.